how to upgrade seats in Airfrance. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can upgrade seats in Airfrance. Alright, so what do you do first? The first step is to log in into your Airfrance account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you would see the Airfrance logo, you would see the home page, you would see your country, you see your profile name and your icon. And then once you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen and then click on the three but horizontal dashes. Once you click on this, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see options like book a flight, check in, my booking information, our flights, flight status, business services, travel destinations, then contact us. You just click on contact us as soon as you see it. Now, once you click on contact us, you'll be taken to the helps page where you can make inquiries as well as call to rectify some issues. So the next step on upgrading your seat is to select Air France Flying Blue or corporate travel account. So you can see the options being displayed and they include I forgot my password. All right. And then you can see, let's go down. Yeah, you can see I want to request a flying blue card. I want to change the personal information. Then just select I want to change personal information. And then here you can see the information change updates my contact details, update my personal information. Now, if you can't find what you're looking for in here, just scroll down and then select need further assistance. And once you select need further assistance, the phone numbers that you can call to make your complaint to be displayed. So you can just go ahead and make the calls. Just make the calls and then tell them that you would like to upgrade your seat, and from there you will be directed on what to do. So that is how it works. That's how you can upgrade your seat on Air France. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.